Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply an e-visa to travel to the Kingdom of Cambodia. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also, I would like to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. All right, guys, so let's proceed. So guys, more and more countries are going towards e-visa because it's very easy to apply and it does uh, provide lot of convenience not only to the applicant but also to the state because it's really easy to get things done like you upload e-copies, then processing, and then fee payment. All things are very simple and you don't have to go anywhere. Okay. So in front of you, I have opened e-visa site of Cambodia. If you scroll down, they have said that 3 steps: apply, pay, and download if approved, of course. So, and when it comes to pay, these are the cards they are going to accept. You can see processing time also they have given, length of stay also they have given, and other name of ports, all things they have given. Okay. So click on apply now. First, you need to why do they give this? Why at beginning, I don't know. Click on apply now. Oh, invalid. Maybe I need to see an eye doctor. Oh, wow. So here you need to upload your passport, and when you click on read passport, some of the fields it will try to read, but some of the but like it depends, it may not read. So you have the option to manually fill also. And here you need to attach your photo. These are very basic information you need to fill as per your case, not what exactly what you see here. That's too old. Uh, Country of birth. You need to do as per your case, and I would say like match this information with your passport so that you don't have any issue. Fields that are mandatory are with this sign. But even if there are other fields that are not mandatory, but I would suggest my personal suggestion to put that information. Why to take chances? Like I always put information when I have to. But from us, wherever you want, I would put Google, but up to you. These are surname, given name, and telephone, email address. That's fine. Passport details, some of the dates will be populated, and if not, you can manually select. Select the type of visa, attached document, supporting down like a hotel reservation, ticket, financial document, so that it's easy for them to uh, issue you your permit, date of entry, port of entry, and when you click on next, it will take you to review the information where you can take a look. You want to change, you can. Otherwise, go to the next, make the payment, and then it's completed. And within 3 days, if it is granted to you, you are all good. But again, in some cases, it may take time. So don't lose your patience and just wait for positive and good news. So thanks for watching this video, guys. And again, I want to clarify, neither I'm an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.